Hey techs, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to screenshot your iPhone with a voice command. We will use the vocal shortcuts option that lets you teach your device to perform a system action, accessibility feature, or custom shortcut simply by speaking a custom word or sound. Let's set up a vocal shortcut to take a screenshot. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Accessibility. Scroll down and select Vocal Shortcuts. Tap Setup or Add Action and hit Continue. Scroll down to the System section and select Screenshot. Type the custom phrase or word you want to use as your trigger, then tap Go. Say your phrase out loud 3 times so your iPhone can learn and recognize your voice. And that's it. Let's try it. Screenshot. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.